Welcome to Blender tutorial by DigiBeam Education. Part 1.
Hey guys, welcome to DB Edu's Blender tutorial. We will now learn a lot of things about Blender. Blender is an animation tool, free animation tool used for creating animations, intro videos and many more things. When you will start Blender, you will see a splash screen like this. This is a splash screen. This will tell you what interaction you want to use, which interaction do you want to use. This is the splash screen. Let me highlight it. Yes, this one. So it will tell you what type of interaction you want to use. It will give you two options. One is preset, that was set previously by Blender organization. So this is Blender default. Preset one is Blender default, and another one is I'm going to use preset. If you want to get rid of this screen, then just click anywhere on your other screen, so that you will get rid of that particular splash screen. If you want to drag it like this, then press your middle mouse button and move your mouse. If you want to drag if you want to select any object, then right click on that particular object and it will be highlighted with yellow boundaries. This one is our cube, 3D cube. The highlighted object is our lamp or source of energy, and the remaining one is the camera what we are using. And now these are all the three things what we will not use in this, but we will use only and only camera. Okay, and we will add some text. So if you want to move it horizontally, then just press Ctrl, and along with Ctrl move your mouse wheel button, scroll your mouse wheel button. And if you want to move it vertically, then just press Shift instead of Ctrl and do the same as you did previously. When any object will be selected, it will have yellow boundaries, and when you will left click anywhere, origin will move along your cursor wherever you will click left button of your mouse. This one is the origin what I'm talking about. And if you want this origin to be shifted back to its original place, then press Shift along with C to move it back to its original place, that is right here at the center. Okay, so if you want to select any object, then select by right clicking it, zoom in or zoom out by scrolling your mouse wheel button, delete by pressing delete on your keyboard, but before you will have to select the object you want to delete. Right clicking it to select it, and after that you will need to press delete and press enter to delete it. Now we need to add something like some text to this, as I'm going to tell you how to add text and how to add some effects to that particular text what you have added. So pressing Shift and A, and this is the add menu, and we are going to insert text. So we will click on text, and this is our text. Pressing tab to edit it, and when you will press tab it will look like this, and pressing backspace to delete this, and putting DB Edu, which is my organization, or you can say my company. So we don't need it to be lying on the ground, but we need it to be standing up. So to stand it up, we need to do something, that is we need to press R to rotate it, X to rotate it along x-axis, and 90 to rotate it 90 degree. So it is now vertical, so press enter to fix it here. And now we need to add some effects and change its fonts This is Daggy Blender font, and don't ever use this font. I don't like this font. In fact, you also not like this. So to change this font, go to this menu, and to move this menu, move your scroll button, mouse wheel scroll button, and you'll see F written here. This one is F, and you'll have to click on this F. Okay, so to F, and we will need to change its font, and we will change its font to one called Pebas. That one is a free font, you can download it, and I'll put a download link in description. And that one is an open source font. By open source I mean that is free to use. So we will click here to change this font. Let me show you in more detail. We will go to font option, or let me highlight it. This is the font option. We will click here. I mean here. Okay, so clicking here, we will go to this menu, and if you are using Windows, then click on Windows. After that, you will see written somewhere fonts. Yes, it's here. So you will have to click here on fonts, and you can select any one of the fonts you want. I am going to select Pebas. Okay, this is the Pebas font what I want to use. We need to add some effects, so we need to duplicate this layer to add some effects, to add some depth, and to make it a little cool. So now we need to press shift along with D, and after that don't move your mouse anywhere while this white outline appears, and press enter or press left mouse button. There are two layers now, two layers of text 001, and another one is text 002. So these are two text layers, but I need both of them to overlay each other. Okay, overlap each other. Okay, so looking a little cool, but not so much cool. So let's extrude it, that is give some depth. We can give it depth by going to geometry menu. Let me highlight it also. This is the geometry menu, and in it there is extrude, which is used to increase depth. There is depth, but it is not increased. It is not used to increase depth, but used to increase depth of edges. Resolution to increase its depth quality, and another one is offset to increase its height a little bit. Okay, so selecting any of the two layer, we will add some depth to it, and I am here using text 002. There are two layers, text 001 and text 002. I'm gonna use text 002. Okay, I want to extrude it by an amount of 0.020. I think it will be perfect for my object. Now selecting the another one by right clicking this text layer again, then we will be able to select 0.01. Now we want it to be 0.010 in depth. Now we will have to increase its offset. I think we need to increase it to 0.020 will be perfect. And this is our 3D text now, but still not looking so good. We will have to add some colors and a little light in this particular text. So if you want to add some colors, then just go to this. Yes, just go here, right here. Yes, this one is the symbol of material. You will have to click on material, select any one of the layer and click on new. I am having X001 as my selection, and we will have to decrease its specularity and its intensity to 0. And this one is specularity and this one is intensity of the specular object, so decreasing it to 0. And after that we will need it to be emitting a value of 1, so that we can have our color as white color. So in shading menu, we will go to emit, and in emit we will increase its value to 1, and after increasing it we need to select our second layer. This one is text 002, and we again need to do the same thing with this text layer also. We need to click on new. After clicking on new, we will need to decrease its intensity in its specularity to 0, and we need to put an emit value of 1, and after that we will have to change its color. I think I should change its color to sky blue. Let me yes, this is the diffuse menu where you will be able to change its color. So click in here, and yes, no, it's not good. Yeah, this color is perfect. Okay, so clicking anywhere else, and this is our text. Still we need some lightning effect, and we need to add a plane, and also we need to set up our camera here. So we still need to do a lot of things. So to position is correctly it correctly, and to add some lightning effect we will go to world menu, and to go to world menu, just a minute, I think I have something wrong. Oh no, it's nothing wrong. What we will have to do next is we need to add some lightning effect to these two text layers. That lightning effect will be in world menu. Going to this world menu, and in this world menu clicking on it, and in this world menu we will change its origin color to black, so that its light will appear more correctly to us, more accurately to us. So now we need to go to indirect lighting, and we need to turn it on, and after that we need to click on approximate, and in this indirect lighting we need it to be checked. Okay, so after going to approximate, actually in approximate we will do three things: that click on approximate, and after that click on fall off, that is we will have to select it, and after that we will increase the value of strength to 1. So we are going to click on approximate, clicking on fall off, and clicking on strength and increasing it to 1. It's not showing any effect here, but definitely it will have some effect when we will render our image. Okay, so we also need to do a lot of things, still a lot of things. Press 1, and after that press Ctrl, Alt and 0, numpad 0, and press C. This is our camera, so press G and Y to zoom in and zoom out where you want to locate your camera. I'm locating it here. Actually you can also do these things by selecting camera and going to the camera menu. Let me highlight and show you where the camera menu is. It's here. Okay, TB rocks. So we can move our camera from here by changing value of x and y, and we are going to change focal length to 20 so that it will look a little good, but we will also need to change its size to 20. So we will have to zoom in or zoom out or adjust our camera anywhere we like. Anywhere I like, I'm adjusting it. You can adjust wherever you want. Okay, I think this position is good. I'm pressing shift A, going to mesh and adding a plane. Press S to resize it. Resize as much as you want and then press enter. And click on this axis, this blue axis, and drag it below. Drag your mouse down to reposition it, and just position is just below your text. This is right below your text. Okay, so this is our text, looking quite good. Okay, it's okay. Still we need to position our camera to right place. I think it's not at its right place. Press when you will press number 0, then you will be able to go in your camera view. So pressing 0, this is our camera view, and we can adjust it by pressing Z and pressing Y, X, or Z, any of these what you want to be adjusted. I'm gonna zoom it a little. Oh no, zoom out. Yes, this is perfect position. I'm gonna move it a little down, I think. Yes, it will be quite good position. Okay, pressing F12 and we will get our image ready. This is just a simple text, and this is just the basic of Blender, and there are still many things in Blender. In our next tutorial I'll tell you how to animate your text. We will make it fall from up to down, and we will also add many particles like glass particles that will scatter down in front of your camera. When it will fall off, the text will fall off. We will also add some smoke simulation so that it will look a little realistic, and we will also add sound to our animation. It will be a sound of bam, boom, boom. It will be quite fun. Please watch our next video also. Thank you for watching this. Bye.